Mic check. One, two, three. And I guess also bike check. One, two, three. One of the gifts that I give myself this birthday is to fix up my bike. You see, I had started riding my bike faithfully last year, and then towards the end of the season, I had a really, really bad fall, and I stopped riding altogether. I mean, I told myself it's the end of the season, and anyway, I gotta get the bike checked out to make sure that everything is fine. Well, that bike check did not happen until my birthday this Monday. Listen, it's never too late to pick up a goal and start over again. Get back on the proverbial horse or on the proverbial bike as many times as you need to. Well, they checked the bike, adjusted the brakes, and a couple other things, and everything is good to go. I just got done giving it a nice wipe down, installed my trusty mirror, light. Ooh, my faithful Zacro bike seat. Trust me, in the world of bike riding, a padded bike seat goes a long way. So I think this baby is ready for a test drive or a test ride, I guess, as I wait to do my official bike ride tomorrow morning. But anyway, here's to growing until we go, taking care of every part of ourselves, growing our bodies in health, growing our minds, and also growing our hearts. Here's to growing until we go. So, front light, check. Rear reflector, check. Maybe we might start doing some bike reflections going forward. But let's give this baby a test ride, see how she does. Mic check, bike check. I think we are in business. Reflector, good to go. And maybe I might give some bike reflections as well. Take care.